Within TransActPOS, there's the electronic catalog. What is it? Let's go look and see what it is. In the center of this diagram is the electronic catalog. It contains information about available products from your vendors. To the left, this is an indication of various types of vendor relationships you can have. The EDI vendors communicate at a higher level than the non-EDI vendors. In the end, you will end up with available information electronic catalog. That electronic catalog is used to build your inventory based upon adding items to the inventory through various processes. This electronic catalog is also used to update retail prices based on electronic catalog, and also is a source of replacement cost for product. For detail about the EDI vendor relationships, there are two different types. The Do It Best and True Value updates are automated, that they occur in the evening. They are invoked by a process, and the data is transferred down to your system automatically. House, Hasson, Orgel, and United Hardware, a little bit different. You invoke that, you have to press the button to make that communicate. Changes are scheduled to make all those automated updates. The other type is non-communicating or non-EDI vendors. That can be any vendor that may provide you with either an Excel or a CSV type of format that can be then mapped and then imported to the catalog, that central depository of information. With that electronic catalog updated from any number of sources, then that can be a source for updating your inventory. We can add inventory items, update retail prices, and again, use that as a source of replacement costs when creating purchase orders. So more on to the adding of inventory. An auto add option and advanced search options are available in point of sale, wireless, purchase orders, quotes, sales orders, service tickets, and rental contracts. So in those points in the system, you can access the catalog to add items to inventory. Specifically, the auto add feature is present in point of sale, wireless, and purchase orders. At point of sale, what happens is that as you scan the item, if it's not available in inventory, the system will attempt to locate that item in electronic catalog and then automatically add it to inventory on the fly. The user does not have to interface with that process. They just indicate the quantity being sold at that moment. Other areas of the auto add are within wireless. If you're doing a physical inventory, a cycle count, or even just looking up items on the screen, the system can be configured to automatically add missing items that are not currently in inventory, sourced from the electronic catalog. Additionally, other avenues of adding items to inventory are, say, in purchase orders. You may have that item in the electronic catalog. You may have received an electronic version of an invoice that may have multiple SKUs entered. By assembling a simple CSV file, a text file that contains in the first column the SKU, second column the quantity, and third, if available, the cost, otherwise it would be derived from the catalog of that purchase. This can be imported directly into a purchase order and then received on appropriate process. With all this activity, you wonder at times what items have been actually added in the system. Should I be able to go through and monitor what was being added? So within the reports under IC, to the left you'll see item entry. You put in a date parameters, and you can do some other sorting, etc. But you end up with a list of items to which you have a hyperlink that you can go review data.